So in a couple seconds I'm about to reveal my horror cars. The first one I just built. This one I just built. It was all rusty, no bed. Wheels were so small. Had no tread. Got that on. Got a toolbox. Bed on. Got a hitch. Got a grill guard. Cave. A tow hitch. Got some cab lights. This one I didn't build it, but I did build it. Got the bumper, tow cable, did that. It's also pink with, all of them have that. Got a toolbox, got the gooseneck and that. And then the next one, my GMC. This one's the highest riding, got that. And that. And the gooseneck hitch. Toolbox, got that. Got the winch, no grill guard, because I felt like I was doing this look. And this one, I got built to be a police car. Doesn't have a winch. It has a gooseneck and the bumper hitch. I didn't add that much stuff because I was built to be a police car, but I liked it too much. Let me give you an example of the TRX. It's so hard to drive for some reason. Wait 1 second. Let me show you. It probably shows the pop a wheelie. See, it lifts up. I don't know why. Don't mind. I don't know how to drive while looking at different camera views. I don't know why it does that. So, hold it.